Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fresno Police Department. A very dangerous event is currently taking place across the Fresno metro area. It seems that someone or something had dumped Lego blocks everywhere. There are several inches of Lego blocks on the ground. Lego blocks are plastic blocks used to build things with. Unlike regular Lego blocks, these ones have extremely sharp edges. Screams of pain and frustration are being reported across the city. Nobody knows where these Lego blocks came from. Authorities suspect that the Lego company got pissed off at the city of Fresno for some reason and they want to cause pure frustration. I will say this, Lego blocks are the deadliest weapon known to man and possibly monkeys. I vote that we go to the Lego company and dump Duplo blocks on the floor. Show those bastards who is boss. Anyways, emergency management officials are working to clear the streets. Some people have resorted to using radioactive materials to melt the blocks. It is advised that you remain indoors. Now if you want to get revenge, get Duplo blocks and fight against Lego.